Microsoft Surface Laptop 2 LQN-00038 Laptop. Review Deal Discount Unboxing Setup. I waited for a month doing extensive research before jumping on to buying a new laptop. I do photo editing, graphics design, coding, and music. Software used are mostly all Adobe, Ableton Live and heavy coding with a lot of NPM installation. Well, after thorough research, it came down to speed, compact, comfort, ease of use in terms of what I was looking at. This new laptop to check all of it, including elegant and luxury design, and buying this was the best decision ever made on a laptop purchase. The keyboard is so comfortable as to a level of taking my typing speed up a few notches, very clean and loud speaker, sleek design, super slim, amazing screen, and the touch screen makes a huge difference when it comes to designing, navigating or using any kind of creative software. The craftsmanship on the laptop like never seen before, and not to mention matte black is pure sexy. Yes, I bought matte black, which I couldn't find on Amazon, so leaving a review here as the specs are the same. To anyone wondering, I installed Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, Rush, XD, Lightroom and used all of them. Did some run on regular use cases including designing, editing, saving and exporting, and run blazingly fast in all of the apps. I still can't believe this is packed with this much speed in such a slim design, just next level. Highly recommend. The Surface Laptop 2 is one of the best laptops I've seen on the market. Spec-wise it's a higher-end laptop similar to the MacBook Pro lineups, but beyond that the Surface seemed like the better buy for a couple of reasons. Pros. Beautiful touchscreen display. This stands out when comparing it to the MacBook Pro. The display between the Mac and the Surface is very similar, but touch capability makes it easier than being limited to the touchpad only. I have to say my hand tends to stay on the touchpad anyways, but the option of swiping or tapping the screen can make certain tasks easier to do. The laptop has decent brightness if you are working outdoors, although like pretty much any laptop you shouldn't be working on it in direct sunlight for the best results. Amazing performance. I personally haven't compared the Surface Laptop 2 side by side to the MacBook Pro to get a decent comparison, but the Surface definitely gets the job done. Whether I'm video editing or browsing the web, the Surface runs all of these programs smoothly. With at least 8 GB of RAM you can run several tasks at once without any delay. It stood up to just about everything I threw at it. As long as you're not hardcore gaming on it, the laptop runs smoothly. Amazing design. The design has stayed the same from last year's model. The metal design on the outside of the laptop gives it a very smooth finish and premium feel. The laptop also has the Alcantara fabric around the touchpad and keyboard, which makes typing on the laptop easier on your wrists. Along with the design, the laptop is fairly light and easy to carry around without too much effort. Neutral. Battery life. The battery life is decent on the laptop. With the high-end processor and display, it makes sense why the battery doesn't meet up to some people's expectations. I can get through a solid 6 to 7 hours of web browsing and occasional videos on a single charge. The charging cable for the laptop is compact, so bringing it along shouldn't be a problem. Cons. Thunderbolt 3 and USB-C. Despite the features on this laptop, it lacks Thunderbolt 3 and USB-C ports. Although it's basically an upgrade from last year's model, it would have been nice if they implemented both of these in the laptop, but personally it isn't a deal breaker. Windows 10 Home. This laptop comes with Windows 10 Home, not the Pro version. This isn't any issue for me as much since I don't use any of the extra features the Pro version provides. But beware, this comes with Windows 10 Home. Overall, this laptop should suit most people in their day-to-day tasks. The performance should meet or exceed your expectations if you have a laptop older than 4 years, so if you're looking for an upgrade, this is definitely worth the buy. Keep an eye out for sales on the Surface Laptop 2 to get an even better deal for an amazing laptop. Special discounts on product. Get the discount link in the description box.